I'm Richard Foster. I'm a Senior Project Manager for Cubic Transportation Systems. I'm responsible for Cubic's work on the Smart Mobility Living Lab Collaborative Consortium. We're the company behind the Oyster card, and more recently we brought contactless payments to London's transport system. For us, smarter mobility is about using these scarce resources, transit resources we have, more intelligently, and using things like a multi-modal journey planner, where you could do a single payment for a journey and then be armed with information to make kind of better, smarter journey choices. There's probably going to be a change of transit modes, so from a move away from the single journey mode rather than using a private vehicle, move towards more multimodal journeys and shared use vehicles. The situation today is that often we have multiple operators and we're making separate payments to multiple operators for a journey, and what we think is to have a multimodal journey planner that allows you to make a single payment and then have an app that is smart enough to tell you the best journey choice, that would know how each of the transit modes is performing and could make suggestions. You could have a journey where you start your journey at your door by using a bike, then switch to a train, and then finally switch to maybe a journey in a shared autonomous vehicle. That's going to have a big impact on kind of emissions, because you won't be having that end-to-end journey in a private vehicle, for example. So multimodal really enables this move to fewer emissions in our cities. You know, if we did have an app, that app would have a whole variety of modes available for the passenger to choose from. It would also suggest the best one for you. So it would look at the current conditions out there on the network, and it would know if there was a problem with the buses, and it would suggest using an autonomous vehicle. It could know where autonomous vehicles are. So then it would select an autonomous vehicle because there was one right by you. The operator would know how people are using their services, and they'll be able to modify and change and improve their services based on what they're seeing out there in reality. So that's going to feed back to the users as well. So it works really well for the operator, and then it feeds back and improves the passenger experience too.